To use widget stack so you can put multiple widgets in a single place in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, find the widget on your home screen that you like to create its stack. Long tap the widget. As a note, you can use widget stack to place the same widget but with different settings, so you can have them in one place for easier access, or to place the different widget but with the same size so you can save more space on your home screen. Now tap create stack. As previously we have add custom camera widget. Now as the example, we will add another custom camera widget. To do so, tap camera and then tap the custom camera widget. As a note, this widget is available if you have updated your phone to Android 14. Now tap add button. You will be directed to the screen where you can do some customization for this widget. Tap title on widget and then type the name for this widget. As the example, we will name it as panoramic. Tap save button. Next, tap starting mode. Select the camera and shooting mode. As the example, we will select rear camera and panorama as its shooting mode. Tap the back button. Next, tap save picture and videos too. And then select the desired album you like your phone to save the photos or videos taken with this widget. The last setting, tap widget background. Select use most recent image in the selected album. If you like to use the most recent image in the selected album, you have set to save the photos or videos taken with this widget. Or select an image to choose an image from your gallery app. As the example, we will select use most recent image. Now tap save to add the widget. You can see that the widget has been put in the same place with the previous custom camera widget. To view widget in this stack, swipe the widget to the left or right until it views the widget you like to use. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.